Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we learned how to set automatic cell sizing using the length-based density tool. Today we will discuss options which will help us fix the cell sizes on certain edge groups. The option called freeze density on groups in the length-based density feature helps us to have more control over setting cell sizes in the desired regions. Length-based density internally calculates the average length of the edge group and assigns the cell size per edge. Let's discuss through an example. Here we have a valid topology with C-type domain and a blunt trailing edge. The trailing edge is relatively of very small length, so requires less points in order to get optimal aspect ratio cells. Switching on the algebraic mesh preview, we can see the need to balance the density to get uniform cell sizes in the domain. Let's balance the density using length-based tool. Select the smallest reference, which is at the trailing edge. Hit apply. We can see that the densities look balanced overall. But at the trailing edge, you can see high aspect ratio cells. These are the cells with aspect ratio of 10 and above at the trailing edge. This is because a relatively large number of cells are assigned to a smaller surface. Let's go one step backward, that is before changing the density. I'm reducing the number of cells to 3 instead of 8 in each block at the trailing edge. And I will group these edges in a corner group C1 to give it an input to freeze density group option. Now use the auto density option, select the reference edge at the trailing edge, enable freeze density on corner group, select corner group 1 and hit apply. Notice that in the grid, the aspect ratio of the cells at the trailing edge is below 8 and there is no cell above 10. In this demonstration, we have showed a simpler example. However, this can be very useful in geometries where the length scales of feature drastically changes. For example, a 3D aircraft wing with blunt trailing edge, or a wind turbine blade, or a lip of an intake. We hope this video helps to understand the usage of freeze density group option and helps you control the cell sizing. See you in the next video. Until then, have a great time. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it below. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometries, you could write to us on support@gridpro.com. Thank you for watching.